Casey? Trying to come through right there. Thank you. You want to drive? What? You'll lick the dirt off for me? Here, I'll turn it. Okay. Enough playing. Enough playing. I gotta go. I gotta go. Watch out. You're gonna hurt yourself.